Curry leaves are very popular in India and Sri Lanka, where they are used in cooking to add a distinctive aroma to the dishes. Seeds germinate at the temperature is 21 degrees Celsius or more. Fresh seeds germinate quickly, older seeds may not germinate or take longer. Take black ripe seeds, remove the pulp and sow them 1 inch deep in free draining soil. Keep the soil moist and place in warm place. The seeds will germinate in about 10 to 15 days. It may take longer if the temperature is low or seeds are not fresh. Allow the plant to dry out completely between watering. Reduce watering in winter. Feed your curry plant regularly to keep the foliage healthy and grow it faster. Feed liquid fertilizer every 4th week. Give 3 teaspoons of iron sulfate every month. Give 1 teaspoon of Epsom salt every 3 months. Pinch the tips of the branches of young plant to encourage the plant to grow leaves fast. Transplant the curry leaf plant to a bigger container. When you see the roots coming out of the bottom hole, move it in a veranda or even indoors during the cold months.